Hello everyone, this is Gautami. Welcome to Marvelsoft School Admin. In this video, I am going to show how to change or update or modify the fee amount. Now I am going to show how to modify the fee amount in SchoolAdmin software. First we have to log in into the software. Then go to Master's menu. Click on Fee Amount menu. Here you can select fee group type. I am selecting here monthly. And also select fee group. And also select the fee name. Then click on Find button. Now the fee amounts are displayed for all the classes. If you want to change or modify for one particular class, then click here to edit the fee amount. Here, first we have to edit the fee amount. Then here, leave that one particular class which you want to modify or change the fee amount. Remaining for all the classes, uncheck the boxes like this. We want to change the amount for LKG, so leave that. Remaining for all the classes, uncheck the boxes like this. Uncheck all the box. Then click on Update button. Then close it. Now click on Find. Now for LKG class the fee amount are changed. So now if you want to change for 2 or 3 classes for the same fee amount, for that you have to edit the fee amount here. Edit the fee amount first. And then here leave that particular classes which you want to modify or change the fee amount. Now here I want to change the fee amount for UKG, first standard and the second standard. Remaining for all the classes, uncheck the boxes. Now click on Update button. Then close it. Now click on Find button here. See, now the fee amounts are changed for that particular classes which we are selected. Thanks for watching this video.